go.
Hey guys, got another video for y'all. I say today we got 3 exercises that make y'all chest bigger. Now, the first one, what we're gonna start off with, we're gonna start off something what your daddy used to do. Now, it's a simple push-up. Now, instead of just a simple push-up, you know what I'm saying? All we gonna do different, we got some weights. Now, the reason why I chose the push-up is because if y'all notice when y'all doing the push-up, what is, I'll say, what's the position? The position is here. And then if you reverse that position, what is the copy? The copy of the bench press. So all a push-up is a bench press, but it's on the ground, you know what I'm saying? And then the thing about push-ups that kind of get difficult is once you start doing, you do push-ups a whole bunch, I would say you start getting good at it. And then you can just crank out a whole bunch, and then you're really training for endurance. And you're not really in training for your strength or your size or nothing like that. Even though, don't get me wrong, hypertrophy does work, but I'm just saying progressively overload is hard sometimes. So how to progressively overload the push-up, get some dumbbells. You don't got no dumbbells, don't worry about that. You got some bricks. I say you don't got no dumbbells at the house, don't worry, you got some bricks. See, just crank them out. Bang, bang, like that. Bang, 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 bang. And if that's not heavy enough for you, you got a youngin' or something, you got a nephew, you got a daughter or something like that, put them on your back, get heavier, you know what I'm saying? And just crank them out. Now, I would recommend 10 to 12 reps in 3 sets. Now, if you can crank out a fourth one, beautiful, beautiful. But I'm just gonna say 3 for right now. Let's crank them out. Let's go. You know what? I said 12. I didn't even realize I did 15, but 12. Now, if you can do 15, you want to do 15, do what you please. You know what I'm saying? I ain't against that. My point is, and that will help you real good, and it'll help you overload. Like I said, if you got like a youngin or just a partner to push you down, it helps. It helps with that overload, that progressive overload. And that's a lot of times the thing is like we don't have a heavy enough dumbbells or the right equipment. Sometimes it's hard to overload it at home. So that's just the way. Get some bricks, get a dumbbell, get somebody to get on your back, crank them out. Bang, 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 like that. All right, we're gonna get into this next exercise. All right, it's pretty simple. We're keeping it simple. All right, we're gonna get into it. Next exercise, I'll say it's pretty simple. We're just gonna do a dumbbell press with a twist. Now I don't know what it's called, like the traditional name for it, but it's the dumbbell press with a twist. All right, I'm about to demonstrate it real quick. It's pretty, like I said, it's simple. It ain't complicated. Now we in this hot sun, and this is hot concrete, but we're gonna do it anyway. And all you do, like your regular dumbbell press, this time instead of that, you're gonna twist it. You're gonna come up, you're gonna twist. Pretty simple. Like I said, 3 sets of 12. Pretty simple. The sun is in my eye. It's alright. You don't got dumbbells? That's alright. Like I said, we're gonna do bricks. Ready? One. We got rocks, that's fine. 3. All right. Pretty simple, I say. Pretty simple. Like I said, you got some heavy rocks or something, I say that's cool. Now those they ain't exactly too heavy, so you gotta do hypertrophy. That's fine, but you know what I'm saying. If you can find some good old chunky rocks and get them in, you can get them in without any dumbbells or anything like that. You know, I always like to use my surroundings, and I always like to use like my outside environment, because like for instance, if I am gonna pick up a heavy rock one day, I want to be familiar with it. You know what I'm saying? Rather than foreign to it. You know what I'm saying? So if I come across, I don't know, if I need to smash something, I want to be able to smash it because I'm already familiar with it. Smash. You know what I'm saying? All right, we're gonna get into this next exercise. All right, we're gonna see y'all then. Now, something else I want to explain before we get into the next exercise is when you're doing these exercises, you want to squeeze your chest. Now, what squeezing your chest means, it just means flexing. I don't know why nobody explained it like that. All it is flexing your chest. When you do a push-up, instead of just pushing and just coming all the way up and ain't squeezing, you pushing up, you're flexing your chest. Flexing your chest. What you're doing is you're building a mind-muscle connection. What's mind-muscle connection? Long story short, just basically all it is learning how to control your muscle. Like for instance, I can flex this pec individually because I built a mind-muscle connection. Or this individually because I built a mind-muscle connection. Or my back. Because like my back, I used to just didn't have no mind-muscle connection to it until I just practiced. And you just practice flexing it basically. And what it do is, when you get a workout in, like, okay, I'll do it from the back. So basically, all you're doing is, for instance, I'll say when you're getting a workout in, you're recruiting those muscles. So say if I'm doing a bicep curl, if I learn how to flex my bicep, I'm recruiting it. I'm calling on this muscle. Bam! I'm telling this muscle to work. Bam! Bam! I'm intentionally using this muscle. You know what I'm saying? Rather than haphazardly, I'm recruiting it. I'm saying, hey, lift. Bam! It's pretty simple. So when you're doing like your push-ups, you squeeze. You're doing your presses, you squeeze. Bam! Or you twist. Bam! You squeeze. Now another problem I want to address is like, how do you get like more weight when? Because I know a lot of people like when you get on the weights and stuff, you do your push-ups like that. I know a lot of y'all can do about 12, and y'all can probably do 20. And a lot of times, and that's good, I say. But if you want to hit like that 10 or 12 rep, what I do to go ahead and make it harder, I'll take the weights and I'll elevate my push-up. And I'll just do it from here. Bam, 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 bam. Now if you want it even harder, this is what I do. You go here, bam, bam, feet on the wall, bam, do it like this. See what I'm saying? This is still correctly. Bam, bam, just crank it up. So basically what I want to say is there are tips and tricks and stuff you can use to make it heavier. And like I said, if you got a little one, like a little kid or something, you can have them sit on your back. If you got a partner, you have a partner push it on your back. So basically, there are ways to challenge yourself. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want you to think you can't challenge yourself. And there are ways. And that's what I want to address. We're gonna go ahead and get into this next exercise. See y'all then. All right. Now the next exercise, I'll say, it's simple too. But this is the one that helped me, like, it helped blow up my strength, it helped blow me up, my chest and everything. And it's pretty simple, but let me show you. Now, all you doing is, now this is how you train your one arm push-ups too. So instead of doing a push, like a regular push-up, all you're doing is I'm taking this hand and putting it out a little bit. Or putting it up here a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting it here, and then what I'm doing is, I'm doing a push-up with one arm. So this arm, I'm not even pushing. I'm not even pushing with this arm. I'm just pushing with this arm. This is just for support. So I'm really just going bam, bam. And for those who's working on their one arm push-ups, that'll help you with your one arm. Bam. And if when you start getting better, you put it out farther. Bam. Bam. You know what I'm saying? And do that on both sides. That'll help your strength tremendously. And if you can't do that yet, I got something else you can do. What you do, you widen out your stance, and you do something called archer push-up. And what you're doing with archer, I'm going this to this side. I'm leaning on this arm like I'm doing a one arm push-up. Bam, coming up. Coming over here. Now all my weight is on this arm. Now push it up with this arm. I'm pushing up with both my arms like that, but I'm pushing up with one arm. Bam. Bam. 10 to 12 of those is good. You can't reach 12, That's alright, that's cool, I'll say, because those can be taxing. Believe me, I know. So you just hit 10 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, it's burning. So now 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 on the other side. That'll help you with your one arm push-ups. That'll help you with your chest, your arm, just one arm. You really want to focus on that side. It burn, believe me. It'll get you a check. All right, now that's the last exercise I'm gonna show y'all. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I appreciate y'all for taking the time to watch this. I appreciate y'all for just appreciate you. Follow me on Instagram, warriorheart18. Subscribe if y'all want to see more videos, and I'll be back with more videos. I appreciate it. Peace.